everyone, I'm going to show you how to install Claude AI as an app on PC. So to start, open any browser. Then from here, go ahead and search for Claude AI. Then sign into your Claude account or sign up if you haven't done so. Now, once you're signed in, go to the top right and click the three dots right there. Then scroll down and look for Cast, Save, and Share. Then from the options, you'll see Install Claude. So just click on that. Then from here, click on Install, and it will be installed to your PC as an app. Next, you can also go to the address bar, and at the right side, you'll see Install. So click on that, then click Install once more, and that's it. So you can now use Claude as an app on PC. Now, if you're using Microsoft Edge, so open Microsoft Edge and search for Claude. Then sign into your account. Now, once you're signed in, click the three dots at the top right, then scroll down to More Tools, and you'll see apps in here and click Install Claude. Click Install once more, and just wait for it to be installed, and that's it. So that's how you can install Claude as an app on PC. Thank you for watching.